Hey everyone, welcome to Trading Oxygen, your destination for smart trading and insights. Today we are gonna do something insanely cool. I am going to ask ChatGPT to create and build me a complete trading strategy from scratch. Yes, you heard it right. Complete trading strategy. And yes, we are not gonna code. The ChatGPT is gonna code for us. What we are gonna ask ChatGPT, a certain condition, and then what ChatGPT is gonna do. So please don't skip this video. Uh, please watch this video till end without skipping because you may skip few very important step which you're gonna perform at your laptop as well. So please don't skip. This series is gonna be AI plus trading. So there will be a few more videos will be coming on this particular subject, but this is the first subject. So I'll require and s- I ask for all of your support. Okay. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just opening a chat GPT here. This is a simple chat GPT. I've not done anything. Like all my other videos, this is also gonna be raw. I'm not gonna create something which is already been prepared and just gonna give you like a coming here and reading in front of you and you don't know how to do it. I believe in sharing, so whatever I'm gonna do, like my chart analysis, this is also gonna be raw. I am doing step by step, so please, if you have your notebook, open it. If you have a laptop, open the chat GPT also there. So what we know, this is a chart, right? Because this is a video, I am just giving a very simple example, which and that's also not a very simple example. If you see the probability of that trading, it's quite high strategy. Okay, so the trading strategy for which I'm gonna take a help from ChatGPT is the EMA based strategy, EMA 21 and 9 EMA crossover whenever it happens. So the what is the exact strategy? The exact strategy is that whenever a 9 EMA is greater than 21 EMA plus RSI is the right part. Like you can set the RSI level also. So here what I'm saying that whenever 9 EMA is greater than 21 EMA plus RSI is less than 60%, 60 means there is a chances of going up plus there is a volume spike. If any time this happens in any of the time format, please give me a buying setup. Okay, if let's say 9 EMA is less than 21 EMA plus RSI is greater than 50 plus there is a volume spike, okay, sell entry which is a bearish. Now what I'm gonna set that set my TP to 3%. It means I'm very much satisfied with my target price 3% and SL 1.5%. Give everything on my chart, okay, for both the direction. Now what we are saying to ChatGPT here, we are telling ChatGPT that I don't want to put my mind here, but I know these concepts work very well, but sometimes I can't see RSI always. I can't see 9 EMA, 21 EMA crossover and everything. So can ChatGPT help me? Let's see here. Okay. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just copying this here and giving here, going to ChatGPT. I'm saying that ChatGPT, give me Pine script having, okay. What I've done is Pine script is nothing but a script which we are going to paste into a trading view. How we are going to do, stick with this video. We are going to do this. So what we are saying that 9 EMA greater than 21 EMI, RSI is less than 60%, and volume spike buying setup. 9 EMA less than 21 sell setup, TP 3%, SL 1.5, and I'm just sitting it, enter. Okay. So what it's going to do here, a Pine script that meets our criteria. Okay, what is a Pine script? This is my Pine script. Okay, so I'm just going copy here, going to my trading here, and this is the place maximize panel where you were gonna copy your Pine script. Okay, I don't have any Pine script for now. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, yeah, this is just a testing which I do coding as well. So this I'm gonna delete everything and I'm gonna save this. Okay, and I'm gonna click on add to chart. This is being added to chart. You see what is gonna happen. This is is giving me a buying setup. For example, this is a 4 hour. Let's go to the 5 minutes and see what is happening. It has given me a buying and then it is selling. Again, I'm saying it's at 3%. You can play with your script, whatever you want to, you can do it. It will tell you that when to go for long, when you go for sell. And this is just a simple example. You can do anything with you that. And you can add also that along with buying and sell signal, can you what we said what is gonna do, this is currently doing SL plus TP plus long. Okay, so let's say that along with the buying and sell signal, can you uh, put uh, what is the exact level, what is the exact level of buying and selling. Okay, and let me click here. Okay, so what it's gonna do, this is this time is gonna give me exact volume or number. What is gonna happen? What I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna copy this, taking this here, going to Pine Editor, and I'm just gonna delete this, add it here, update on chart. Okay, and what it done, it has given me some error. Let's see what's the error. What it says that it has undeclared identifier. What I'm gonna do that, I'm just gonna tell ChatGPT, look, there is some error. As I said, this is a raw video. You do whatever I'm doing. ChatGPT is not God. It will not give you exact right thing at the right stage, right? You need to ask them. You have to speak to ChatGPT like you speak with your friend, right? So what you have told that we have won this error and then we have this error as well. Okay, just copy this and tell ChatGPT to correct this. See what ChatGPT is saying. ChatGPT has confessed, yes, there is some problem, and he's gonna or he or she's gonna correct it. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna copy this again, and I'm gonna paste it here. Okay, and I'm say update on chart. Look what it has done. It at this stage, what was not happening earlier, it was not giving me the exact level where I need to buy. Now it is telling me to exact that buy from here, sell from this level. See, it all depends how you want to play with this, right? And you know what the beauty of this? It is not dependent on your time frame. You change your time frame, and according to candle, this will tell you that what to do and what not to do. Okay, this is a very simple example which I have taken. Like this, you can play with anything, any raw example which is coming in your mind, put it here, tell the chat gpt to create in a pine script, and it will automatically will give you in the form of fine script, which you can say which you can paste it in your chart, and you can do whatever you want to do. another advantage Another advantage of it, like for example, if you are using the freeware of TradingView, and you cannot put all the indicators together, right? Like for example, here I'm using EMA 219 RSI volume spike. If you're using the free version of TradingView, you can maximum put only the three indicator. Here what you can do is you can put n number of indicator here. So let's take one more example, and I'm gonna tell that ChatGPT, give me Pine script having 9 EMA, 21 EMA, 50 EMA, VWAP. Okay, is there any other indicator which is coming here? Volume, RSI in single indicator. Okay, what ChatGPT is doing? ChatGPT has taken my request and is gonna give me a one Pine script. Let's see, is the Pine script is working? What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna paste my Pine script in the Pine editor here, and I'm just gonna copy it here, update on chart. Has given me some error as usual. What is the error? Let's see. It has given me one error, mismatch input end of the line. I'm just gonna copy this and I'm just gonna tell ChatGPT to correct this. Again, till now, it's been easy. I'm just gonna say, ChatGPT, what you're doing? Correct this. ChatGPT should confess this. Yes. Thanks for catching that. We have caught that. And now, like a good friend, ChatGPT is gonna give us the full script again. And it's also tell that what they have fixed. I'm just gonna copy this and I'm just gonna paste it here. Just gonna update on chart and I'm just gonna copy this. Guys, what you have everything in a single indicator. I didn't do anything. I'm still using the freeware of TradingView, but I have everything. And what individual chart? This is shows that what it's EMA denotes by this color, EMA 21 by this, EMA 50 by this, VWAP by this, RSI with this. Okay, and it also asks the about the RSI length also here. So see what ChatGPT is giving you. Guys, this is what the AI has brought. Like in all other areas, AI is very much into the trading as well. And I will try my level best to put everywhere, everything, wherever ChatGPT or any other AI tool can help us. I'm gonna bring this in form of videos. What I need in favor from you is please like, comment, and keep supporting Trading Oxygen page because this is where I will get a motivation to create more and more content like this. Okay, so please use this. Okay, and let me know if you want any other strategy to be in form like we did. We can do it together in a form of video. And remember always, AI doesn't replace traders, it makes them superhuman. We are here to be a superhuman. Please keep supporting the Trading Oxygen page, and I'll see you in other set of videos. Thank you. Bye.